Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for rent in Caledon Estate, Ballito, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa for R14,000 per month. Lovely 3-bedroom unfurnished family home. Situated in a secure estate in Ballito, you will find this beautiful pet-friendly home. The house features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, lounge, kitchen and dining apace. Double lock-up garage and extra parking space outside. The property is fenced, making it ideal for pets. 2 small pets allowed. The estate offers excellent security and entertainment for the family and friends. All rooms have built-in cupboards and modern finishes. Very neat with a large air conditioner. Available from the 1st of June 2017. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.